What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. I've got the Galaxy Note 10 right here. This is the Aura Glow version. And the first thing that you're gonna wanna do with this expensive $950 device, you're gonna wanna apply a WhiteStone Dome glass screen protector. Now the WhiteStone Dome is different from other screen protectors because it does use Loca technology, which is an adhesive which applies the glass screen protector bubble-free so that you'll have full access to your ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So I was kind of wondering how they were going to attack the camera cutout and still get full covering, but you can kind of see the design here is that they kind of notch out the camera cutout to get that full protection on the display. So before we even open up the box, we're gonna go ahead and remove the screen protector that Samsung includes on the Note 10. Get that out of the way. You certainly don't want to install your WhiteStone Dome screen protector over the top of the included screen protector. So real quickly, we will move this to the side and take a look at the contents of the package. All right, so in this box, I believe will be our UV light. There it is, that's the UV light. That's going to allow us to cure the Loca gel. This is new to me. I have never seen this, so I'm not really sure what this or this, I'm not sure what those are. I've never seen those in one of these kits. You've got all of your instructions. You've got all of your cleaning supplies here. You've got some speaker grill stickers, and then you have your glass screen protector. Here we have the bridge and 2 bottles of Loca liquid gel. So this is great that they include 2 here. If you mess up the first install, you can clean off your device and give it a second try. Okay, so it looks like this is actually a guide. So what you're going to do is we're going to end up placing this over the tray here. And then when the liquid gel meets the circle, then we'll pull the tab. If you've installed any of this and you kind of know what I'm talking about, if not, you'll see what I'm talking about here in a moment. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and power down our phone, and then we're gonna begin the process of cleaning it. Okay, so we've got a variety of cleaning materials. We have a wet cloth here, and we'll start out with the wet cloth. We wanna make sure we get all the grease and fingerprints and any kind of dirt or dust off of the screen, because any of that grime is gonna get trapped between the screen protector and the screen, and it's just going to annoy the heck out of you. So we'll go ahead and make sure that we get all of this as clean as we possibly can get it. All right, when you're satisfied with that, we'll go ahead and use one of our dry cloths to dry it up. I would suggest kind of popping this to try to get as much of the loose linen off of there as possible. You don't want any of that, you don't want any of those particles getting on your screen. Let's go ahead and give that one good rub down. All right, when we're pretty satisfied with that, we can set this in the tray. Now make sure that your speaker goes up here and lines up with this top notch. All right, next up we're gonna take our stickers here and get any and all of the dust that we can find on the screen. Once again, you don't want any dust or hairs or particles on your screen, as they'll get trapped in between the screen protector and the display and just be annoying. Get all that dust out of the way. All right, so next up we're gonna apply our speaker cover to the speaker. It's just a very small little slit up top. You just wanna make sure you line it up. You don't wanna go too far down. All right, next up we will apply the top tray. All right, and then we'll go ahead and slide in our little dust pads here. These are to catch the excess Loca gel. If any runs off the side, this will catch that. All right, so this will be your last chance to catch any dust with your stickers. So go ahead and take this time to grab any remaining dust that might be on the display. All right, next up we will install our bridge over the top. And then we will unscrew our Loca gel and go ahead and place that in the bridge. We don't want to forget to insert our tab here. It's what's going to hold our glass in place here in just a moment. All right, so we'll go ahead and release the gel. You want to give it a few seconds here so that all the gel comes out of the bottle. My table's not completely level. I've got a big huge monitor sitting on the back of mine, which kind of makes it unlevel. Okay, so next up we'll go ahead and get our glass prepared, and we're going to take off our back tab. Go ahead and place it. Now you do have a guide here which shows you exactly when to pull the tab. Once we have this aligned up, we'll wait on our gel to fill up this circle and then pull our tab. All right, so we'll just kind of line this up here. All right, and we'll wait on this to get in the right place. And as soon as it gets to the right place there, we'll go ahead and pull the tab, and then we will just allow that to spread. So this is going to take, you know, several minutes here, maybe up to 10 minutes to spread all the way through. As soon as it spreads through, then we will apply our UV light. Just kind of leave this guide here until everything spreads. All right, now that everything's spread, we'll go ahead and remove our guide. We're gonna give this 15 seconds on the bottom and 15 seconds on the top. So 15 seconds of UV light on the bottom, and then we'll move it up to the top. All right, and now we'll do our 15 seconds on the top. Okay, once we've done our initial cure, we'll go ahead and remove this from the tray. We can remove our speaker protector. All right, and now is the time to remove any excess glue on the sides. We'll do that using our wet wipe. Just kind of run this along the edges here to get any and all excess glue out of the way. All right, and then we will finish our curing process. Okay, so the second curing time, we're gonna do a full 60 seconds on the top and then a full 60 seconds on the bottom. Once you've given it time to cure, you should be all good to go. That about wraps it up for this video on the WhiteStone Dome screen protector for the Galaxy Note 10. I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can grab this screen protector for yourself. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.